is one of the most familiar and widespread North American birds. It is non-migratory and it's in my backyard year-round. The Charming Chickadee is named for the cheery chickadee-dee-dee cry for which they are famous. Their sociability and fearlessness around humans has carved home a beloved place in the hearts of birders. So how do we attract chickadees to our backyard? Let's take a look. All birds need these three things to survive: food, water, and shelter. The black-capped chickadee is no exception. Put up tray, tube, or hopper feeders to attract chickadees. Chickadees are fond of sunflower seeds, especially black oil sunflower seeds. They have a high fat content, essential for winter survival.